Hello everyone, welcome to Josie Explores. And right now I am here in Boracay exploring its wonderful beaches. I'm currently enjoying the sunset behind me and I thought that I'd record my video because it's Tuesday and I'm supposed to have an outline or a practice by now, and I'm all dolled up and very Boracay ready. So yeah, I think I'll share some of my thoughts, especially gratefulness, because never have I ever thought that I'd be traveling to Boracay. Because back when I was in elementary, even going to restaurants is already a luxury for our family. And I know that my parents gave their best to provide us with all the support and comfort that they can give us, and I'm very thankful for them. But we didn't really go to trips, and vacationing would mean that we will spend a lot of money, and I'm not even a vacation person. I like to stay at hotels or a staycation because it relaxes me and I'm a homebody. And I actually like the luxury of hotels because we cannot afford that when I was still young. And I just took a moment to pause right now and be really grateful that I'm here now. I've achieved a level wherein I finished my studies. I was responsible enough not to succumb to teenage pregnancies. That's my sole goal for the past decade or so. And it's actually funny because even right now that I'm already happily married, and yeah, be we'll be having our first anniversary next month, in a few days, in roughly 2 weeks, and I'm still having that pregnancy scare as if I'm a teenager. But yeah, I really love freedom. I love that I don't have a kid yet because I can travel on my own with, well, my cats are in Miagao, and I just left them with a trusted person, the gardener of our um, boarding house. And yeah, I'm just quite thankful even if I haven't really reached the career goal that I want to be in. But looking back from a year ago, I was still dreading to resign from a job that's, although impactful, it wasn't really fulfilling on my part. And yeah, it's almost a year of struggle, and I realized that usually your plans will not pan out exactly as you would want it to be. And I learned that you are indeed responsible for your own destiny and future. I had a lot of failures and fuck ups for the past year, and I realized how incompetent and skillless I am. I'm not saying I'm stupid, I'm saying that I really need to up my game to really commit to the next goal that I want to set, which is financial independence. And I haven't really taken that seriously, and that's on me. And yeah, this trip is quite nice because it's an escapism, and it's actually just a breather because I feel like I had a lot of negativities the past few months and weeks, and Jerry and I have been fighting. Most of the time I'm easily triggered and he's so busy, and yeah, I'm really not in a good place mentally, and this is really nice. Well, we're okay now, and yeah, we spent a few days with his family on his father's side, and we also went to Boracay for initially for 2 days with his family to catch up and bond. And I'm supposed to go with him to Mindoro and Los Baños, but given that he will not be able to extend his travel for us to visit our friend Joy in Los Baños, I decided that I'll just stay here in Boracay and enjoy Boracay with my very own self and introspect. And yeah, I'm quite glad because I was able to do this because I have a remote job, and I am not that scared to take absence or cut my work day short. And yeah, small steps. I also realized that I'm not that smarty pants. I don't have the guts to really fake it till you make it. So I guess I would just do the slow but sure way of doing freelancing. I'll just take my time, and hopefully I will not have any more pregnancy scare in the next few months. I really know deep in my heart that I'm not yet ready to be a mom. And personally, I'd like to prepare for a little bit more before I entertain parenthood. I want to have a good home for my child to be. I want him or her to have an emotionally ready, mentally ready mother and physically present father. So this trip to Boracay is quite therapeutic, and I'll insert some clips in this video. Oh, this is not a travel vlog, but yeah, this is me exploring new places, exploring new thoughts and ideas. And I don't suck that much in terms of traveling on my own. I just have the tendency to just stay in my accommodation. And I'm glad that I pushed through with my walking because I'm enjoying the nice scenery here. So I think I'll do more of things like this. Hopefully in the next few months and few years, and by the time that I'll be traveling next, I'm also not exactly escaping stuff that I don't want to confront. So yeah, I'll save the few minutes for the other clips that I have. And bye, I hope you learned something. So in summary, I think what I'm saying is that this trip is quite therapeutic. It gave me the time to bond with family, to bond with myself, to recharge, to rest, to have a reset. Especially that my emotional and mental clutter is quite having a toll lately. And yeah, I'm grateful that to look back that when I was in elementary, I will not be able to afford a trip like this. And yeah, I'm grateful for the universe, for all the things that I am enjoying now.